Hi, this is Dr. Lara. In this video, we are going to learn how to create an account in Moodle Cloud, how to create a new course, add students to it, and also how to import a SCORM package. So let's get started by creating a new account in Moodle Cloud. Just go to moodlecloud.com and then click on Sign Up. They offer different plans, start with the free plan so you can test it out, and click on Get Started within the free column, and then click on Create a new account. You will need to agree to these terms, and then you need to enter your information to create your account. Once you have created a new account, you can start adding courses. To add a new course, click on Site Administration. Within the Site Administration screen, select Courses, and within the Courses tab, select Add a new course. And over here, you can enter the course full name and the short name. So for this one, we can just type probably like Math 101, and the short name will be the same, Math 101. And you can leave empty the rest of the information, and then click Save and Display. Alright, so we have added a new course. It's taking us to the screen to add participants, to enroll users. However, we haven't added any users yet to the site, to the Moodle site. So we need to add users to the Moodle site first. To do that, we need to go back to the site administration. So on the left, on the block to the left, scroll all the way down to go to the site administration. And this time we are going to select the users tab. And over here we are going to add a new user. So first we need to add the user to the whole site. And then over here we can add the user. For the username, we'll create a generic account. I will call it student1. And then you can enter the first name and the last name. So for the password, you can check this checkbox to generate a password and notify the user. So it's going to send a notification to the email provided. Or you can just click over here to enter a manual password. And then you need to hit enter. And if you do that, you will need to let the user know what is the password. And you could click this checkbox if you want the user to be forced to change the password. So it is really up to you how you want the password to be set. After that, you can scroll all the way down and create the user. Once the user is created, you can go back home, click on home, and then click on the course that you have created. And this time we are going to click on participants to be able to add a new participant. So click on participants and then click on enroll users. You can search for users by the first name. And over here you can assign a specific role, as a teacher if you want the participant to be to have this role, or as a student. And then click on Enroll Users, and you should be able to see that the participant has already been added to this course. Alright, the last thing we are going to cover is how to import a SCORM package. So first you need to export your lesson into a SCORM package. So depending on the authoring tool that you use, you will need to export it. So I will first export my mauthor lesson. So I will go to mauthor. I will log in first. Go to my lessons. Select the lesson that I want to export, and then click on the export icon and select SCORM 1.2. So this is going to run in the background, and I will be notified by email once the link to the SCORM package is ready. Alright, so I am in my email right now, and I have the link to download the exported package. So I just click on the link, and I shall be able to download it into my downloads folder. It's a zip file. It has a very long name with only numbers. You can change the name, or you can keep it like that. That doesn't really matter. And then you can go back to your Moodle class, go to the class that you have created, and then we need to go to the configuration icon, and then click on Turn Editing On. And we are going to add a new activity or resource. And let's select the activity SCORM package. And let's click on Add. Over here you need to type a name for your SCORM package. If you want, you can add a description. And then you can drag and drop the zip file over here. You could also change the appearance if you want the lesson to be displayed in the current window or in a separate new window. There's a few other options. If you want to allow the window to be scrolled, that is if you open it in a new window. So you can specify the width, the height, and so on. In my case, I will just open it in the current window, so we don't need to change anything. And just scroll all the way down and click on Save and Return to Course. And after the package was uploaded, you should be able to see it, and you can test it by clicking on it and then clicking on Enter. You can also see a report of who has taken the SCORM package and what grades they got by going back to the SCORM package, and then click on Reports, and you can see who has taken the attempt and whenever they started it and whenever they access it and their score. So that information is going to be listed here. Alright, I hope you found this video helpful.